If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. How do I even start this one? Rating. This is a terrible restaurant. Avoid it at all costs, man. Y'all better listen to me. What is going on, people? It's your boy, MrBucketlist, and I'll be honest with you, this is going to be a very disappointing review here in Las Vegas at the Paris Hotel at Gordon Ramsay Steak. This was one of the worst and most expensive experiences I've ever had at a restaurant. Let me tell you why. So for those who didn't watch my documentary, it started off really bad. So as soon as I got there, there was this girl with a tablet, a hostess. I stood there. She didn't say, "Hey, how you doing? Hey, how can I help you?" I stood there for maybe about 7 to 10 minutes, just standing there like a buffoon while she was just looking on her tab, just punching stuff. And she says, "Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. You need some help?" And it just, something told me to turn around, but I didn't. So I decided to go in. That was strike number one. And then as far as the restaurant itself, so yes, it's nothing like Hell's Kitchen. This is more of a steakhouse. It was dark. It was noisy. You got people walking back and forth all over the place. I did not like the setting. It's nothing like in the video. I was so upset I didn't really record while I was there. But that was just kind of something that turned me off. And then the food. Now the food itself was actually really good, but I had a couple of issues with it. Number one, when they came and brought the food out, a lot of us had got the beef Wellington around my area. It was me sitting solo, and there was 2 people beside me and 2 people beside them. The guy secretly upcharged me to get some mushrooms and some extra mashed potatoes, which I didn't even finish, to go along with my beef Wellington. And so when they brought that out, they brought mine first. The guy beside me was like, "Oh, that's mine." So they didn't, with no questions, didn't ask what he had. They just dropped it off at his table. Then I said, "Hey, I'm the one that got the mashed potatoes, extra mashed potatoes and the mushrooms." He was like, "Yeah, I didn't get that." So I was like, "Okay, sir, well, you can have this for free, and we'll go ahead and bring your food out right now." So I had to pay an additional, I think it was like $30-something. I'll put the screenshot up of it. But I had to pay additional for those sides when the guy literally got them for free. And then there was a table right beside them that was complaining that their food was taking so long. So the manager came out and apologized to them. He tried to whisper, but being that it was such a loud steakhouse, he could hear everything he was saying. He was like, "You know what? I'm going to charge you half off because I feel really bad for you all." Even though I just got ripped and I was already pissed. It was so many red flags about this restaurant. I mean, you all do not go here. I rarely say this for my food reviews. I usually enjoy, or at least try not to sway business from a restaurant, but this place deserves it. Gordon Ramsay should be ashamed that he has an establishment like this. I've never watched the show. Definitely not watching it now. This man, horrible experience. The only thing that was somewhat positive was my waiter. His name will be on that receipt. I'll bring it up. I think it was like Otis or something. He was very nice. He was very soft-spoken, very kind. He made me feel like I was actually spending a lot of money, which I was, for this restaurant. So thank you. Even though you upcharged me, you secretly put that money in there. I understand how it goes. I have a job that I understand, if you know what I mean. So I mean, no hard feelings on that. But man, that restaurant sucks. So again, you all, avoid this place at all costs. This is Las Vegas. There's so many different restaurants out there. You're not going to spend $100 per person to have one of the worst times of your life. Just stay away. Anyway, again, I apologize. It's your boy, MrBucketlist, but I'm just really heated even thinking about going back to that restaurant because that literally almost ruined the end of my trip. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Of course, I do more positive reviews on a weekly basis. Check out my channel, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.